Here's what most people don't know. Bitcoin is sitting right here. It's trading right now at $27,000. But I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna show you what most people don't even realize or they don't do enough research on. We're looking at the price, which is cool. I don't care about the price. If I look over here and look at all, I know that Bitcoin hit 68,000 and some change, right, in November of 2021. But more importantly, I wanna look at the market cap. What was the market cap? Look, the market cap was $1.2 trillion. See, I'm speaking facts now. Bitcoin's market cap, when it did $68,000 in 2021, the market cap was $1.2 trillion. Let's double check that though, because I don't want y'all to think I'm making something up. Let me show you how to do it with your own eyes. Go here to coin market cap, slide down here to historical data, this one, for Bitcoin. Click on historical data. Do me a favor, come over here to date range, this one. Slide back down here all the way to November of 2021. I'm showing y'all how to level up so nobody can piss on your head and tell you it's raining. Click on November 1st through November the 30th and click continue. I want you to slide down here and I want you to see, load more, slide down here and I want you to see that's November 1st. Look, it is showing you what Bitcoin opened up with. It's showing you what the high was that day, the low for the day, and what it closed, meaning what the candle closed with. More importantly, it's showing you the volume and the market cap. Understand this. Bitcoin was trading at $60,000 in November of 2021. Facts. The market cap was well over $1 trillion. 1.1 trillion, 1.12, that's almost 1.2 trillion there, right? Is this facts? 1.2 trillion right there. You see that? 1.2 trillion. Bitcoin's market cap was 1.2 trillion at $60,000. Why is that important? Look at the market cap right now for all crypto. Pay attention. There's 23,000 cryptos spread out over 578 exchanges. And the market cap for all 23,000 cryptos right now is $1.1 trillion. That includes Bitcoin. Bitcoin's market cap is 500, meaning Bitcoin's market cap is about 50% of the total market cap of everything right now, and it's still 1.1. You're gonna ask me to do you a favor. Watch this. If Bitcoin was 1.2 trillion at about $62,000, watch this. $1 million divided by 62,000. 16.1. If Bitcoin's market cap was 1.2 trillion at 62, I have to multiply 16 times 1.2 trillion. Watch this. Times 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch. Keep going, watch. This is not a trillion. Look, that's hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions. Look, hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions, 1.2 billion. Damn, I gotta keep going. Hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions, hundreds of billions, 1.2 trillion. Watch what happens when I click this equals button. Pay attention to me in these numbers, because men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. Bitcoin's market cap has to go to $19 trillion to do $1 million by 90 days. You telling me that the current market cap of all 23,000 cryptos right now is 1.1 trillion. Bitcoin's highest market cap was 1.2 trillion in the bull market of 2021. You're gonna take that market cap and it's gonna go up to 19 trillion to do $1 million, and it's gonna do that in 90 days? Look at my face. Negative. I'll take that bet. Whoever did that, I'll take that bet for you, dog. Bitcoin ain't doing $19 trillion in 90 days. Bullshit. You can't piss on my head and tell me it's raining. Now, y'all know. So when y'all hear stuff like that, y'all can be like, right? You can tell your family members and stuff like that think they're getting ready to buy, cash their 401ks and buy Bitcoin, talking about shit going to $1 million in 90 days. Stop it. It don't work like that. Your ass need to be patient. The bull market is 2025. Maybe we see a 3 to 4, maybe even a $5 trillion market cap for Bitcoin, which puts it somewhere around 150, maybe $200,000. But $1 million? Listen, this is not. Hey, y'all. I don't have a crystal ball. I am not an oracle. I don't have, I don't have Jafari the parrot sitting on my shoulder. I don't have a lamp.
Subscribe and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow. Watch the next video, it is more informative. Let's continue.